taper face in AutoCAD 3D. If you go here, Home tab, and if you go here, you can see taper faces. Select the tool and which face you need to taper, select the face. I just select this face, enter, and which is your taper axis, you can select the base point of taper axis and second point. Now this is your taper axis. Using this one you can taper. I just make here minus 15 degree, enter. Now you can see this area tapered like this. Again I go to taper face. Now I select this face, enter, and click the first point and the next point. Now I need to specify taper angle. Now I just make the taper angle minus 15 degree, enter. Now you can see when I given minus 15 degree, this side taper, this side 15 degree. So this is the way you can taper any 3D faces using taper faces tool.